Spring has sprung, and it is a perfect time for me to transplant these Russian olive bushes. They're invasive due to the berries that the birds eat and end up everywhere in your lawn that you don't mow. These are a great privacy hedge because they have, in their mature form, 2-inch thorns that will deter any pests from getting through. So here I'm removing them, and we will relocate them to another area on my property, which I hope to influence a border. You can't kill these things. I mean, unless you burn them, they're just going to keep coming back. Here's a picture with me, and in the background is a bunch of Russian olive that I transplanted, and within 2 years, they look like that from this. She's just ready to pop some growth out.